What's good, everybody? So as promised last or 2 days ago, no, sabi ko na magre-react tayo sa mga grand finalist, yung performances nila. So mag-start muna tayo kay Arvery. Okay, Arvery Lagoring. Siya yung second placer. And actually, this is my first time na mag-react kay Arvery. So sabi ko na sa inyo dati na nakareact na ako kay Isay and also Carmel. But kay Arvery, this is my first time na mag-react sa kanya, and ngayon ko lang din siya narinig. No, so andito yung mga info. So siya si Arvery Lagoring, round 1 performance, grand finals, tawag na tangalan, school edition. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Again, this is the first performance ni Arvery, and magre-react pa din tayo doon sa kanyang medley performance kasi pumasok siya sa top 3. So si Carmel, si Isay, and si Arvery. So mag-start tayo dito kay Arvery, and then we go with Isay, and then yung medley na ni Carmel. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Grabe. Grabe, parang umiiyak na.
Mga ulap ay dapat kong hawingin upang maglaho ang dilim na bumabalot sa akin.
Grabe yung emosyon. Yeah, nice control. Haha. Beautiful. Ha. Sing. Amazing. Oy, standing ovation, no? Andiyan para si Sofronio, no? So anyway, okay, ito na masasabi ko. If this was the only performance, no? Hindi kasali yung medley. Hindi ko pa naman nakita kay Isay. Well, kung titingnan natin or pagbabasehan natin yung overall performance talaga, no? Walang bias. Alam natin si Carmel, vocally, ang galing talaga ni Carmel. But Itong performance si Arvery na to, man, ramdam ko yung puso, ramdam ko yung emotion from start to finish. She was able to sustain that, to hold on that emotion na parang maiiyak din tayo sa pinagdaraanan niya. Yung ganong level, no, pag pinagbasihan natin to, she could actually win tawag ng tanghalan. Pwede siya maging grand champion, no? So no wonder na pumasok siya sa top 3. And grabe yung ano niya, grabe yung pigil niya sa emosyon, no? Kasi andun pa rin yung voice control, andun yung dynamics. Alam niya kung kailan siya lilipad, no? To take off, no? Vocally. Grabe. Seamless yung mga high notes niya na talagang hindi lang ginawa niya just because kailangan niyang gawin, but talagang nadala siya sa kanyang emosyon, no? She was able to turn her emotion into that wonderful high notes. Grabe. Amazing. Again, this is my first time na mag-react kay Arvery, okay? Kung di ko lang nalimutan. Basta, if my memory serves me right, this is my first time. And wow. Again, if this was the only performance at hindi kasali yung medley, I think, no? Well, hindi ko pa naman nakita yung first round ni Isay, but we'll get into that later on, no? Pero I think overall performance na dito, she can actually win tawag ng tanghalan. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Standing ovation. Lahat ng hurado. Grabe. Ang galing ni Arvery. So no wonder siya yung nag-second runner-up and she was able to make it to the top 3. So, I'm excited even more, no? Sa kanyang medley and also kay Isay. So anyway, stay tuned kasi marami tayong i-react ngayon. So that's it. And please subscribe if bago kayo dito. Do follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.